32 auto today. Stock coil. Rained all day yesterday, all last night, a little while this morning. You can see now it's not all that pretty, but it's not supposed to rain anymore. Got some big swell waves. Wind's blowing from the west. I'm surprised we got any, but look at them. Big boys. Big old waves. And the tide's not low for 4 hours. We got here. We're going to work the tide down today, which we do sometimes, but not by 4 hours worth. But look at the waves. Ought to be moving something. The land of bleakness. We're getting ready to go in. Stand by. 6 blocks, no targets. Not one target. Not even a piece of aluminum. I see a dry sander guy right there. We're headed back towards the truck and we're gonna hump kind of high. Then we're gonna depart this place at a rapid pace. Stand by. Well, I moved up high. Wasn't finding anything down there, not even one target. I dug a pull tab right there, and I just dug a nickel right here. So I got 2 targets in 6 blocks. I don't like it. So much for that hot goose. We're westbound. I don't know where we're headed westbound, but we're heading that way. Let you know later. Nobody knows this. Yeah, it's raining lightly. Our request for yellow. I hope this dies out fast. Not raining hard, but it's raining. So we're changing mobiles. We're getting in Kenny's mobile. We're going to go by and get Gary, and we're going to head to the rocks. Maybe east of the wrecks, I'm not sure, but in the rock vicinity. Stand by. We're outbound. Okay, we're inbound the rocks. We're going to 14 manual now. We don't hunt these rocks very high. A lot of iron up here. 14? Yeah, turn this volume down a little. Stand by. Well, it ain't very pretty here. I was hoping to be kind of calm here, but it's got some waves on the bay. There's the guru. There's Mr. Gary. Inbound. I don't like it. Ain't very pretty. Getting clouds. See how it goes. It's raining. I'm hiding out from the rain. Under the pier. Not raining hard, but raining. And a couple of pull tabs and a penny or two. That's a typical scoop. Something's in there. Sounds good. Probably a pull tab. That's about all I've dug here. Stand by. Glass hunter. Yeah, a lot of glass hunters here. None at the oceanfront, but they're all up here. Rain hard now. We got the hell out of here.
Yeah, I thought you get into it too. Them my keys. Okay.
You already found a ring while in a little short spin. Let me see that thing.
Close to the water? No, that's
look at the ice in it too.
Close to the water, Gary? In the middle, between the high and water.
I can't tell. None of us got any eyes to read what's inside of it. But it's a fancy looking ticket, I can tell you that. That nitro's already there, boys. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Stand by, maybe we'll find out. Sunshine on that ship. Right now, again. Eastbound and down. Rain got us again. Well, we've been on a 90-minute rain delay. We dropped Gary off at his house, checked his ring out. The ring is a nitro. Not even silver. Junk, not even real diamond. That was a little let down, but it was exciting for a while for me. We in the Guru, we're headed to Thimble Beach now, at the eastern end of our hunt today, and hope we can get a little while. And you see it's still really cloudy. Sun shining in a few spots. Stand by. Third try today. See, it looks good right there. Good right there. But I'm still going over there. Stand by. It's cold as hell. So that's the first thing I find. I got no clue what it is. Looks rough again. Day. Weird. It just got too windy. When the wind changed, it breezed up. Got real cold. Too cold for me. I'm going the hell out of here.